Rock and roll! Don't be late.
Kill him before he blows up!
Be my...
Hey, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frogs! Gross!
That's gross. Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming? Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nick, go and fetch him. Pull his guts out from his rectum.
Dangerous, Run! Dangerous!
Pussy power.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up.
Have you done your homework already?
Dude!
Virus.
Again and again with the door. It's irritating. I wonder what they have. I found something. That's it, that's it. Let's go. Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Hey, Rasai! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world, and the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's party time, motherfuckers!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Juliet. Time to party.
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't blame me, fire.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Happy birthday.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake. Oh man, this majorly sucks. This Major League sucks.
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Lingori, Yellum, Tobal, Ellie, Moriform, Tokum, Cav, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
No!
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
It's a zombie hunting.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play!
Piss off!
Oh, hell!
Rock Zombie's dead! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
Wow, what happened here?
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy! What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you.
I think you can do better. Shit! Look out!
the irritating...
How do you like the spotlight, Flag?
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god! Total waste of a Volvo!
Fuck! What a douchebag! Quit destroying shit for no reason!
My head's gonna explode!
Get out of my way!
You zombie!
Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass!
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his mohawk this morning.
Your ass is mine! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Woo!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever!
Shit! Giant letters. You wear all that makeup to hide your indistinct chin. Almost there. Juliet, give this dude a new asshole on his forehead. You are rocking.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little. Yeah!
Speakers! Punks are dead, dude. Get real. Destroy the speakers! Destroy the speakers! Smash that speaker stand!
Ready? Go!
Shit! Speakers! Fuck! Speakers! Fuck! Speakers! Smash that speaker stand!
Fuck! Bring it on!
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Oh, that one actually hurt a little, bitch!
He's trying to kill us? He's trying to kill us? Oh, this sucks. kill us? He's trying to kill us? Fucking giant letter bullshit!
I'm not done screaming yet! Ah! This really hurts, man! Ah!
Jeez, so emo.
Juliet! You did it!
Mr. Morikawa.
Sensei!
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead. The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith you can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too.
Sensei, no! Don't leave!
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet. Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Sensei! Oh my gosh! Thanks, Sensei! Chainsaw Dash!
Now that's a sweet ride.
Oh?
Sweet.
Cool!
Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
About being ahead, first of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free!
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool! I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
a tasty treat for you here, eh, you mill?
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Happy birthday! Can't hear you!
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
10 hot, 10 butt fuck!